What if one simple goodnight text could stay in his mind long after he puts his phone down? Sometimes it isn't about sending the longest message, the sweetest paragraph, or saying exactly what he wants to hear. It's about knowing how to communicate warmth, confidence, and just enough emotion to make your presence memorable. The right words at the right moment can make him smile before he closes his eyes. Replay a conversation you shared, or wake up the next morning wondering what you're thinking. Number 5 powerful good night texts that make him think about you all night. A good night text should never feel like something you send just because it is bedtime. If you want your message to stay in his mind long after he puts his phone down, make it personal, meaningful, and different from the ordinary good night message he may receive from anyone else. Instead of simply saying good night, give him a reason to smile, reflect, or remember a moment you shared. Something as simple as, "I hope you know you made me smile today. Sleep well," can create an emotional connection because it reminds him that his presence had an impact on you. You are not begging for his attention or demanding a reply. You are simply leaving a warm emotional impression before the night ends. The secret is to make your words feel natural. Men often remember how someone makes them feel more than they remember the exact words that were spoken. When your message makes him feel appreciated, understood, or quietly special, he may naturally think about you after the conversation ends. Maybe he remembers your laugh, something you discussed earlier, or the way you looked at him. Your message becomes connected to those positive feelings. And here is where confidence becomes powerful. You don't need to send a long paragraph explaining everything you feel. You don't need to keep texting until he responds. Sometimes a few sincere words have more impact because they leave room for his own thoughts. A confident woman can express affection without losing herself in the process. She can say something sweet, put her phone down, and continue enjoying her own evening. Your goal should never be to manipulate his emotions. Your goal should be to create genuine connection through kindness, warmth, and authenticity. When your goodnight message reflects who you truly are, it becomes memorable because it feels real, not rehearsed or forced. Number 5, powerful goodnight texts that make him think about you all night. The second powerful approach is to leave a little mystery in your goodnight message. You don't have to tell him everything you're thinking or explain every emotion you feel. Sometimes saying a little less can create more curiosity than sending a long paragraph. When you leave a small piece of the conversation unfinished, you give his mind something to return to. For example, you might say, "Something reminded me of you tonight. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Sleep well." That simple message can make him wonder what happened, what reminded you of him, and why you chose to tell him later. The important thing is that mystery should feel natural, not like a game. You are not trying to make him jealous, anxious, or insecure. You are simply allowing the conversation to have some space. When someone is genuinely interested in you, curiosity can naturally make them think about you after the conversation ends. Instead of giving him every detail, you allow him to imagine the rest. A little mystery can also communicate confidence. It shows that you are comfortable with your own thoughts and don't feel the need to explain yourself completely. You have your own experiences, your own world, and your own life beyond the conversation. That independence can make your communication more interesting because you are sharing something with him without making him the center of your entire world. You could also send something playful, such as, "I was about to tell you something, but I think I'll save it for tomorrow. Good night." Now you've created anticipation without demanding anything from him. He may smile, wonder what you were going to say, or even look forward to hearing from you the next day. But remember, the goal is not to become distant or deliberately confusing. Healthy attraction grows from genuine communication, not emotional manipulation. Let your mystery come from having depth, personality, and your own life. When you don't reveal everything at once, you create room for curiosity, conversation, and discovery, allowing the connection to develop naturally over time. Number 5, powerful goodnight texts that make him think about you all night. People remember how you make them feel. And one of the most meaningful ways to create a lasting emotional impression is to make him feel genuinely appreciated before he goes to sleep. You don't have to flatter him with exaggerated compliments or tell him everything you love about him. Sometimes one honest sentence can mean more than 100 empty words. Think about something specific he did that made your day better, made you laugh, gave you comfort, or showed you that he was paying attention. Then tell him. A simple message like, "I really appreciated how you listened to me today. It meant more than you know." Sleep well can create a completely different feeling from an ordinary goodnight text. When a person feels genuinely seen, they tend to remember the person who made them feel that way. Your message isn't simply saying good night. It is reminding him that his actions have meaning. Maybe he checked on you when you were having a difficult day. Maybe he remembered a small detail you mentioned weeks ago. Maybe he made you laugh when you needed it most. These little moments are opportunities to express sincere appreciation without overwhelming the connection. The key is specificity. Instead of saying, "You're the best," tell him exactly what you appreciated. Instead of saying, "I love talking to you," you could say, "I always enjoy how easily you make me laugh." Specific appreciation feels more authentic because it shows that you actually notice him. It communicates that you aren't simply looking for attention. You're paying attention too. And don't send appreciation with an expectation attached to it. Don't make your kindness a test to see whether he responds with the same amount of affection. Give the compliment because you genuinely mean it. When appreciation comes without pressure, it feels more powerful and emotionally mature. A good night message can become a small moment of encouragement at the end of his day. He may put his phone down feeling respected, valued, and appreciated. And that positive emotion can naturally make him remember you. You don't have to force yourself into his thoughts. Give him a sincere reason to remember the way you made him feel, and let that connection speak for itself. Number 5, powerful good night texts that make him think about you all night. Sometimes the most powerful good night message is the simplest one. You don't need to write a long emotional paragraph or explain everything you are feeling before he goes to sleep. A short, thoughtful message can create a beautiful emotional moment when it comes from a genuine place. Something like, "Sleep peacefully. I hope tomorrow gives you something beautiful to smile about." Can feel warm, caring, and memorable without putting any pressure on him. The beauty of a message like this is that it communicates affection while still giving him space. Sweetness becomes much more meaningful when it isn't forced. If every message is filled with intense emotions, constant compliments, or repeated questions about how he feels, the communication can begin to feel overwhelming. But when you occasionally send something kind simply because you want to brighten his night, your words can carry more weight. He may read the message, smile, and quietly appreciate the thought behind it. You can also make your goodnight text reflect something personal between the two of you. Maybe you shared a funny moment that day, talked about a dream, or discovered something you both enjoy. You could say, "I'm still smiling about what happened today. Sleep well." A sentence like that can bring the shared memory back into his mind right before he sleeps. Suddenly, your message isn't just another notification. It is connected to a real experience and an emotion you both understand. But there's something even more important than the perfect words. Don't use sweetness as a strategy to get a reaction. Send it because it reflects how you genuinely feel. If he responds warmly, enjoy the moment. If he doesn't respond immediately, don't assume the worst. People have different schedules, moods, and ways of communicating. Your confidence should not depend on whether your phone lights up instantly. The most attractive kind of affection is affection that comes with self-respect. You can be caring without chasing. You can be sweet without becoming dependent. You can show interest while still maintaining your own peace. When your good night message carries that balance, it becomes a reflection of your confidence, warmth, and emotional maturity. And those qualities can leave a much deeper impression than any perfectly crafted line. Number 5, powerful goodnight texts that make him think about you all night. A powerful goodnight message knows when to end. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they like someone is believing they have to keep the conversation going until the other person falls asleep. But sometimes, leaving the conversation at the right moment creates a stronger impression than sending message after message. You can show affection, create warmth, and then confidently step away. Something as simple as, "Good night, handsome. We'll continue this tomorrow. Sleep well," can communicate interest while also showing that you are comfortable giving the conversation space. There is something attractive about someone who doesn't need constant reassurance. You don't have to keep checking whether he is still interested. You don't have to send another message because he hasn't responded yet. You don't have to fill every quiet moment with another text. When you know your worth, you can express what you feel and then allow the other person to respond in his own time. Ending the conversation on a positive note can also create anticipation. If you are having a meaningful or playful conversation, don't feel pressure to stretch it endlessly. Sometimes saying, "I'm enjoying this conversation, but I'm going to get some rest." Good night leaves both of you with something to look forward to tomorrow. You are not disappearing or playing games. You're simply showing that your life continues beyond the phone. This kind of confidence can make your presence feel refreshing. He may put his phone down and remember your final words. He may smile at the conversation you shared. He may wonder what tomorrow will bring. And when someone associates you with positive emotions rather than pressure, communication can naturally become something he looks forward to. Remember, the goal isn't to make him obsess over you or manipulate his emotions. The goal is to create a connection where both people feel comfortable, valued, and excited to communicate. A woman who can express affection without chasing attention demonstrates emotional strength. So send a message, mean what you say, and then let the night breathe. You don't need to prove your importance by staying available every second. Sometimes your ability to peacefully say good night, put your phone away, and return to your own life is exactly what makes your presence feel more meaningful. Number 5, powerful good night texts that make him think about you all night. At the end of the day, remember that no perfect good night text can replace genuine connection. The words you choose can create a beautiful moment, but the energy behind those words matters even more. If you're sending a message because you sincerely want to express affection, let it come from a place of confidence rather than fear. Don't send a good night text because you're worried he'll forget about you. Send it because you genuinely want to leave a little warmth in his evening. The most powerful message is not necessarily the most romantic one. Sometimes it is the message that sounds exactly like you. If you're naturally playful, let your humor show. If you're naturally caring, express that warmth. If you have a special memory together, mention it. Authenticity makes your words feel personal, and personal messages are much easier to remember than something that sounds copied from the internet. You also have to remember that your worth does not depend on his response. He may reply immediately, he may respond the next morning, or he may simply read the message and go to sleep. None of those reactions should determine how valuable you believe you are. A confident woman can express interest without needing instant validation. She can send a beautiful message, put her phone down, and continue enjoying her own life. That confidence creates a completely different kind of attraction. You're not chasing him. You're not trying to control what he thinks. You're simply showing him a genuine part of yourself and allowing the connection to develop naturally. When someone feels that you care but aren't desperate for attention, communication can feel lighter healthier, and more meaningful. So before you send that final message tonight, ask yourself what you truly want to communicate. Do you want him to know you appreciated him? Do you want to make him smile? Do you want to remind him of a special moment? Let the answer guide your words, because the real power isn't in finding a magical sentence that keeps a man awake all night. The real power is becoming someone whose presence creates genuine warmth, peace, curiosity, and positive memories. When your words come from confidence and sincerity, you don't have to force yourself into his thoughts. You simply leave behind a feeling worth remembering.